Hi, I'm Miss Melanie and I'm a special education preschool teacher in Buffalo, New York. In this video, you'll find a digital representation of a social story. I found that social stories have been one of the most effective ways in teaching social skills to my students. We hope that you enjoy my video and that you're able to find new ways to engage your students in learning about social skills. Get a Timer Social Story by Melanie Eldred. Meet Dan the duck. And this is Harry the hippo. It's time to play in the classroom, and Dan chooses the dinosaur. He loves playing with the dinosaur and is having a great time. Along comes Harry the hippo. He wants to play with the dinosaur. He asks, "Hey, can I play with the dinosaur?" But Dan the duck says, "No, I just got the dinosaur." Harry is feeling mad and sad. He doesn't know what to do. He thinks about the different options. He thinks, should I take the toy? Or should I find a solution? Harry decides, I'm going to take the toy. That's the fastest way to get it. He starts playing with the toy, but then realizes Dan is feeling very sad and a little mad. He doesn't want to play with Harry. Dan even got a scratch on his arm from the dinosaur's tail when Harry pulled the dinosaur from him. Ouch! Harry thinks a little harder. You know what? Maybe this is a job for the solution kit. Harry goes and gets the solution kit. He gives the dinosaur back to Dan the duck and decides to look at the solution kit. Harry opens it up and looks at all of the options. After looking at all the choices, he decides to get a timer. Harry gets his timer and asks Dan, "Hey Dan, can I have a turn when the timer goes off?" Thankfully, Dan says yes. Harry waits patiently for the timer to go off. Hooray! The timer went off. Dan makes a great choice and happily hands Harry the dinosaur. Both friends are happy. Thank goodness for the solution kit. It worked again. Harry and Dan both learned that it's okay to have a problem and it's okay to have a feeling. What the important thing is that you find a safe and kind solution. Harry tells Dan thank you, and they become best friends. In fact, Dan picks out some cars, and he even shares some with Harry and his dinosaur.